Today, starting in May, I think May the 6th, I'm going to be cleaning my AC coil from inside out. The first thing I have to do is power off the AC unit. Very crucial, you need to do that. And it depends on your model. Mine has a pull out fuse here, so I'm going to be like pulling it out, okay? Work here, but so I managed to put it out here. Maybe you need to do a little wiggling. This is what my fuse look like. I guess it's called fuse or whatever here. And the next step, I have 4 screws here. I'm gonna remove the cover here so I can start cleaning with the water nozzle inside out for all directions. So I have 1 screw here, second, third, and another one here in the back. Okay, just take it out. So I have partially removed my cover here a little bit here. I don't want to, there's some wire connection here. So be careful, you know, make sure it's kind of heavy. This fan part, you know, want to make sure it doesn't drop in the back. Okay, so I kind of lean it over here somewhat. Anyway, then we start cleaning it up. Okay. Start spraying from the top to the bottom, or whatever, left to right or right to left there. Be careful not to spray too much on the wire. But anyway, we're gonna let it dry for like half an hour or so. So continue doing that on the coil. Anyway, be careful not to damage the coil. My frame actually, you can see this is kind of a little damaged there. The frame here kind of leaning on top of this. Hopefully it's not too bad. Anyway, continue cleaning. Yeah, I did 2 rounds of cleaning around it. Underneath in the bottom there's a lot of leaves, so I have removed some of them. I think the best way maybe before you watch it, if you have leaves or something in the bottom of the unit, maybe use a vacuum, garage or shop vacuum to get all of the leaves out. So what I had is wet leaves in there, so probably gonna wet, you know, they're gonna get dry. So I'm not gonna use my AC today. So anyway, and put the screw back and then put the fuse back later. I have put all of the screws, 4 screws back. Now I'm gonna put in the fuse back in the box here. So make sure you put it in correctly as far as the orientation. This should be up right here. So right there. Okay. Like I say, I'm gonna wait for this to dry, probably at least an hour. Or you know, if you don't need to use it, just let it dry overnight. And that's about it as far as cleaning AC coil from inside out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye for now. Subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you.